Is she beautiful? Yes, she is quite beautiful. I am waiting for her. Don't wait for her. Can you come with me? No, I have some work. Should I go alone? Yes, you should go alone. May I take a photo? Yes, you can take a photo. When will you meet me? I will meet you around 10 p.m. Did he sleep? Yes, he slept. Do you love her? No, we are just friends. Is she your good friend? Yes, we are good friends. What did you do? I swear, I didn't do anything. Who is tickling you? He is tickling me. May I come in? Yes, take your slippers off outside. Is he a man of his words? Yes, he is man of his words. What are you doing? I am pouring water in the glass. She is so beautiful. No, she is not that beautiful. Whom did you meet? I met your friend.